Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make dramatic moments on TikTok using the BGC Drama Effect. And if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button because seriously, it genuinely helps my channel. So thank you so much for your support. So once you have your TikTok app open, just head over to the Discovery tab and click on that. And then when you land on the Discovery page, just head over to the search icon and click on it. And then search for Drama Effect. And then you should find these options like this. Just click on Drama Effect, the first one here. And then you should land on a page like this. Go ahead and play any of the videos. And then once the video opens up, just head over to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the music icon playing. And then you should find the BGC Drama Effect. So just head over to the top and then click on add to favorites. And then once you have this added to your favorites, now let's head over to our home page and upload the video so I can show you where you can find the drama effect which you just added to your favorite section to your video. And then click on upload. Once you find the video you want to upload and you have selected the video, and then just at the bottom of the screen there you should see sounds. Click on sounds. Beside recommended, we have a tab called favorites. Just click on favorites. Here you should find the BGC Drama Effect which you just added to your favorite library. Just go ahead and select that. And then once you select that, just head over to the volume control at the bottom right corner of the page and select it. And here you should see both original sound and then added sound. So here you can use this to adjust how you want the sound to play against or over your original sound. That's what you've recorded or you want to, the information you like to pass to people. So if the added sound is a little bit too high, that's the BG sound effect. Just go ahead and reduce it a bit to make it fit or sound not so much or above your own voice. So once you're okay with that, just head over to added sounds and then click on the screen to exit the sound settings. And then once you exit the sound settings, if you want to add the text, you can just head over to the text option at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on text and then add any text you want. But if you don't want to add any text and it's okay like this, just head over to next. So from here you can add a description to your video and then post it to your TikTok account. So that's how you can get a dramatic effect or dramatic moments in your TikTok videos using the BGC Drama Effect. Okay guys, that's all for this short tutorial. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please give the video a like and also subscribe to my channel. I post similar contents like this every day on my channel, so hope to see you on the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.